you know the world is heading down a dark path. Online censorship, central bank digital currencies, a complete loss of privacy, and it's only accelerating. Most people are falling behind with the latest technology, and those that aren't are sacrificing their data, their control, and their dignity just to keep up. That doesn't have to be you. Here, you'll have everything you need to break free. Over the past decade, I've helped 20 million people take control of their money, their data, and their digital lives. Now, I'm bringing everything I've learned to one place. Sovereign Sessions is your home to learn, master, and live freedom tech. Bitcoin, AI, private communications, self-hosted tools, everything. Each week, I'll walk you through step by step with the most critical tools that put you back in charge. Don't ask permission, take control. Welcome to the Sovereign Sessions.
So yes, I think it's important in the age that we're in right now, with so many crackdowns on free speech and sovereignty, age verification, everything across all of this, that people need to learn more than just the sovereignty of Bitcoin. You need to complement it with other freedom tech. So please join me over on Sovereign Sessions, and please join me over in the open source area. We are running workshops all day with BTC Mentor. I will be over there. Come learn. I'm so thankful to be able to be up on this main stage and put firsthand self-sovereign education on the main stage. I think it's so needed, and thank you guys for being a part of
it. Every year, this community comes together to celebrate, to debate, to build what comes next. And every year, the stage gets bigger. Sound money, center stage. So, where do you go to celebrate the next chapter in Bitcoin history? You come home. Nashville, July 2027.